Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial that will cover the processing of tax withholding forms that have been submitted by a new hire as part of the onboarding process. Typically, this step is completed by a manager or an HR administrator. So if you are on the step, which is typically labeled process withholding forms or withholding forms or something to that effect, you'll want to click the link to go to the withholding forms section. And what you'll see here is all the withholding forms of employees that you're able to see. So there might be multiple forms here if you have more than one new hire starting. So you'll want to find the forms for the new hire that you're working on right now, and you want to check the status. So I've already actually processed the federal form for this new hire, but the form that is listed as employee completed has not been processed. Now, if either of these forms was listed with a status of new, that would mean that the employee had not actually signed and submitted that form, which means I could not yet complete this step. So if I wanted to view either of these forms, I can click the pencil over here on the right just to see what the employee has completed. Otherwise, all I need to do is check the box on the form that I would like to process, and then click the process button. And I want to apply changes as of today, and click process. It's going to prompt me for my password, which is me digitally signing this step. I click I agree. And once I've done that and the status updates to processed, which means the employee's tax settings in the employee profile have been updated for payroll purposes. And that concludes our tax form tutorial. Thanks.